That's Krishna. That's good. He's from ET.
Krishna, how are you? Good to meet you. Glad you could make it.
So again, show that it's a small thing like
Do you need help with the mics?
Hi guys, my name is Madhusudan. I work with Teamchat. I had the solution engineering portfolio. Basically, we do innovations. Whatever any kind of use cases that we get, we try to innovate. A lot of previous speaker talked about messaging platforms and how user communicate on this messaging platform, right? Let me just quote one traditional scenario, it's like classic scenario people talk about IoT, Internet of Things. How about you are in office and you get a ping on your favorite mobile application and it says your refrigerator is messaging you and it says, I am running out of eggs, and do you want me to buy it online? Refrigerator sends a message and says, hey, I'm running short of eggs. Can I, order it online? And you say, yes, go ahead. It goes back, it picks up your credit card information maybe, or your any kind of, e-commerce application and just local baniya maybe, and it brings you the eggs, just a scenario. Now, this is where the platform thing comes into picture. So, as a messaging platform, it is not limited to users, but then it is also for machines, devices, anything. I'm sure everyone is aware of this whole IoT boom, right? Internet of Things. Yes or no? Yes. Great. I heard some noise from this side saying it's Raspberry Pi, right? It's very similar. It's Arduino, right? But Arduino is not a hero here. It's about how to bring this chip and on a messaging platform, and how to enable, a messaging platform and a user to talk to these devices, right? So let me quickly start with a demo. No, one second. Yeah. So I have this app, okay, my favorite app, which I was just talking about. It's a messaging app. It's a messaging platform. Can you see? Can I just ask you, please? Can you see something here? Can you read it for me?
Do you like today's Mumbai weather?
So it's like a poll, right? It's like a poll. Can you press? So he said yes. What's the change? No change? See there. Can you say no? Cool? So it's a messaging application. You can chat with it. So you did it via a poll, right? Now I'm going to say start, okay? Can you type it for me again? Make S capital, so you're just going to say start. Can you see this? Can you please say stop? Right? So this is one demo which shows you this is one demo which shows you how a human interface can be, interfaced with a machine interface. Machine can talk to machines, the way I said, refrigerator, ACs. But the major challenge what we see is people who are into IoT, they know that, right? Basket of mess? No? Basket of mess? Anyone? So it's basically there are a lot of such devices, there are different standards. There is no one platform which you can bring onto and just talk as your friend, right? This is what is the example. I showed you a group in which I was present. So he just said a yes and no or start and stop. If you want me to give access to this device, I can just add you as a WhatsApp. You go ahead and you add people in your group, right? Just go ahead, add this person and he can access this resource. So key takeaway would be, if you want to manage users for your resource, this is one of the best concept where you create a group, add people. If you don't want them to access anymore, just throw away from the group, right? So that's how a platform approach works. This was something little serious. Now I'm going to show IoT, tech, IoT and magic mixed. How IoT and magic, so it's a little fun. So we're going to do a magic trick but we can also show how IoT plays a picture into that, okay? So, interested in a magic trick quickly? Okay. Akshit, can you please take this that side? Okay, again I have a device. Anyone? What is this? Cabbage. Good one. So it's a beacon, okay? It's a beacon. All that it knows to do is, it has a battery, it has an ARM processor running inside. All that it knows is it just transmits radiations, low energy Bluetooth radiation, and it just says, I am beacon, that's it. Now what I'm going to do is, for this magic trick, I'm going to ask my colleague Akshit, can you give it to someone and ask him to be at the deadmost corner there? So he is giving this beacon to someone there, and he is at the end point there, right? Now let me introduce Neil. He is our magician. Over to you, Neil. One sec. So he is going to play a trick. Someone is going to come and pick a card, and
Yeah, so I'll be needing a volunteer. Can I have someone? Would you mind to come, please? So basically, you can come up, please. So I'm going to ask her to select one card, and let's see what happens after that. Madhu, can you?
sure.
Okay. Firstly, just see it's a regular deck of cards, and it is a regular deck of cards.
Guys, it's interesting, please.
So what I want you to do, I want you to say stop any. This is your card. Don't even look at it. Okay, she selected one card, she will not look at it. If you have a pocket, can you put it in the pocket?
Okay.
I don't know the card, she doesn't know the card, no one knows the card.
So all that she did was, she selected a card by herself, and she has this card in her pocket, right? So I'm going to show you some, again, boring IoT maybe. There is something here. It's a fan, right? It's just rotating, and there's nothing here. Now, let me ask our friend who has the beacon, please, to approach towards me. Beacon guy, please come towards. There is something here. What is this?
Hearts. King of Hearts.
King of Heart. May I request you to please take out the card? Cool? Off ho gaya, I'm sorry. So it's King of Heart, right? Thank you. Yeah. The beacon is here. Which guy? No, he was the person who had the beacon. Beacon is something tech, IoT device. Now when he approached towards my app, the IoT device told me something which was in her pocket, right? And I showed you it was true. Right? Thank you.